Hindi ko pinangarap sa simula ang maging isang piloto. I was a performer, an actress, a singer, a dancer. My world was the stage, the lights, and the music. Pero may ibang mundong tumatawag sa akin, ang maging isang flight attendant. After a while, I found myself in the world of aviation wearing the most elegant uniform for the country's flag carrier, Philippine Airlines. At dito rin nagsimula ang pangarap kong maging isang piloto. Ngunit dahil wala akong sapat na pera at tamang lakas ng loob, inisip kong hindi ito posible dahil karamihan ng mga nakikita kong piloto ay mga lalaki. But life has a way of bringing you to places. At minsan, hindi mo alam kung tama pa ba yung tinatahak mong daan. My flight attendant life was good, but I had other considerations. Dumagdag ang pangarap ko sa buhay at kinailangan kong maghanap ng daan to greener pastures, ika nga nila. So I left Philippine Airlines with a heavy heart and pursued a career in nursing. But doors in that world didn't open for me. Nakakapanghinayang ang nailaan kong oras sa nursing sa pag-aakala na ito ang magiging daan para sa akin. Ngunit mas matinding pagsisisi ang naramdaman ko sa pagbitaw sa mundong pinangarap ko. I prayed hard and God gave me another chance at aviation when I joined Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines and eventually back in the skies as a flight attendant for another airline. I was surrounded by pilots for a great part of my career and karamihan talaga kalalakihan. Hindi ko naisip na balang araw may lugar ako doon. But I leaned in and gave myself a chance to dream of flying a plane. Syempre mahirap. Wala namang pangarap na madali na makamit. But I had faith as relentless as my dream to belong to the skies. Nakapag-ipon ako at pinag-isipang mabuti saan dadali ng pera. Naisipan kong magnegosyo, ngunit nagdesisyon na lamang akong sumugal sa aking sarili. Kahit na sinasabi pa ng iba na maaaring huli ng lahat para simulan ang pangarap kong maging isang piloto. And after less than a year of further studies and a whole lot of courage, I earned my wings and became the first female seaplane pilot in the country. Now, serving once again the country's flag carrier, Philippine Airlines. I am a living witness that dreams do really come true. Life is a gift, but how we live it is a choice. Dream high, soar higher, and one morning, you will be surprised. You'll awaken to find that you are the person you dreamt of becoming, doing what you wanted to do. So if any of you have dreams of living your future in the sky, Philippine Airlines Fly With Her program is here to uplift and support the next generation of women in aviation. Libre lang mangarap, sabi nila, pero tiyaga, determinasyon, pananampalataya ang magdadala sa'yo sa tamang daan. Sa akin, ito ay ang naging daan pabalik sa himpapawid.